Have you ever wondered why, despite your continuous physical activity, your legs seem weaker as you age? The surprising reality is that the missing element might be nutrition. What if I told you that you could improve your leg strength and stay active for many more years with just 3 simple yet effective foods? If you're interested, let's explore these foods and how they can help you maintain your independence as you age. Remember to subscribe before we begin so you don't miss any crucial health tips. Our legs are the foundation of our body and the key to mobility, allowing us to enjoy special moments like dancing with loved ones or walking in the park. However, few people realize that our legs deteriorate with age. The steps that were once easy now become more difficult. Did you know that the secret to keeping your legs strong lies in your diet? No matter how hard you train, your legs will lose strength if you lack certain vital nutrients. But don't worry, today, we're going to share 3 incredible superfoods that will provide your legs with the nutrition they need to stay strong and active. The 3 essential nutrients, proteins, vitamins, and minerals, give strength to your legs. Without them, simple tasks can become a challenge, as your bones will become more fragile and your muscles will weaken. Make sure your training isn't in vain. To maintain a strong and healthy lifestyle, start consuming these 3 superfoods we are about to discuss. Are you ready to learn more about these 3 life-changing foods? Keep watching the video and share your thoughts with us. Before we begin, I would appreciate it if you like this video, you can help me continue to spread the old age lesson. If you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. If you like this video, please comment number 1. If you don't like it, comment number 0 to let me know, so I can make a better video for you. Now let's get started. 1. Spinach. Spinach, often considered a modest green vegetable, is a powerhouse of nutrients with incredible benefits, especially for leg health. While it may appear simple, its benefits for the muscles and bones of the legs are anything but ordinary. By incorporating even a small portion of spinach into your daily diet, you can make a significant impact on your overall leg strength, mobility, and vitality. Let's take a closer look at why this leafy green is such an essential part of a leg-healthy diet, and how it contributes to keeping your legs strong, flexible, and full of energy. The outstanding benefits of spinach for leg health. One of the key nutrients in spinach that plays a crucial role in maintaining leg health is iron. Iron is an essential element in the production of red blood cells, which are responsible for carrying oxygen throughout the body, especially to the muscles and organs, particularly the legs. Oxygen is vital for sustaining energy and preventing fatigue during physical activity. When your body lacks enough iron, it can lead to feelings of weakness, and your legs may feel heavy, sluggish, or tired, severely reducing your mobility and activity levels. Iron deficiency can also result in a condition known as anemia, further exacerbating fatigue and muscle weakness. For those looking to keep their legs feeling energetic, active, and resilient, spinach's rich iron content is a must-have. Potassium is another essential nutrient that spinach provides, and just as important as iron for leg health. This mineral helps to regulate fluid balance in the body, ensuring that your muscles are properly hydrated and function smoothly. Potassium plays an integral role in muscle contraction, which is critical for any movement, whether you're walking, running, or even standing. Without enough potassium, your muscles may become prone to cramping, fatigue, and stiffness, especially after physical exertion. Think of potassium as the lubricant that keeps everything running smoothly in the body. It is vital for maintaining the flexibility and strength of your leg muscles, ensuring that they can move fluidly without discomfort. Maintaining optimal potassium levels through foods like spinach can significantly reduce the risk of cramps and muscle pain, helping your legs stay strong and agile throughout the day. In addition to iron and potassium, spinach is an excellent source of magnesium, a mineral that is essential for proper muscle health. Magnesium plays a crucial role in muscle function by ensuring that muscles contract and relax properly. This mineral helps prevent cramps and muscle pain, 2 common issues that particularly affect older adults. Magnesium also supports a wide range of other bodily processes, including the maintenance of energy levels, proper nerve function, and overall cardiovascular health. With approximately 79 milligrams of magnesium per 100 grams of spinach, this nutrient-dense vegetable is an excellent choice for those looking to reduce muscle discomfort, improve flexibility, and maintain a healthy, active lifestyle as they age. Spinach is also an important source of vitamin K, a powerful nutrient that is essential for maintaining healthy bones. Vitamin K plays a critical role in the body's ability to preserve bone density and slow the natural process of bone degeneration that occurs with age. As we grow older, bone density decreases, which can lead to conditions such as osteoporosis, making bones more susceptible to fractures and fractures. By consuming vitamin K through foods like spinach, you can help protect your bones from weakening over time. This, in turn, can reduce the risk of fractures, joint pain, and other age-related bone issues. For anyone looking to maintain strong bones and keep their legs healthy as they age, vitamin K-rich spinach is an excellent choice. How much spinach should you consume for maximum benefits? To fully benefit from spinach's impressive nutritional profile, it's recommended to consume around 100 grams of spinach per day. This amount provides a balanced supply of vital nutrients such as iron, potassium, magnesium, and vitamin K without overwhelming the digestive system. This daily dose can easily be incorporated into various meals, whether you're adding it to a salad, blending it into a smoothie, or sautéing it as a side dish. Spinach is incredibly versatile, making it easy to enjoy its numerous health benefits while also boosting the nutritional value of your meals. However, there's a lesser-known fact about spinach that's worth considering. It contains oxalic acid, which can interfere with the body's ability to absorb calcium. This can be a concern if you're consuming large amounts of spinach as a primary source of calcium. But there's a simple solution. Cooking spinach significantly reduces its oxalic acid content, thereby enhancing the absorption of nutrients. By lightly steaming or sautéing spinach before adding it to your meals, you can maximize its nutrient bioavailability and ensure your body gets the most out of the spinach you consume. Final thoughts. Spinach for healthy, energized legs. Incorporating spinach into your diet is a simple yet highly effective way to support leg health and overall vitality. With its rich array of nutrients, spinach provides the essential building blocks for keeping your muscles energized, flexible, and free from cramps, while also strengthening your bones and reducing the risk of joint pain. Whether you're looking to prevent leg fatigue during physical activities, combat age-related muscle pain, or maintain strong bones as you grow older, spinach is a powerful, natural ally that should not be overlooked. So, make spinach a regular part of your diet, and you'll be well on your way to supporting your leg health and maintaining an active, vibrant lifestyle. If you are still watching this video and finding these lessons useful, please comment number 1 below to let me know that you are still watching this video with me. Thank you for your valuable time. 2. Eggs. Eggs are often seen as a simple, quick, and convenient meal option. However, they are far more than just a quick fix for hunger. They are a rich, nutrient-dense food that offers a host of health benefits, particularly for older adults. As we age, our nutritional requirements evolve, and it becomes even more essential to focus on foods that nourish and sustain our bodies. Eggs are a true superfood in this regard, not only helping to keep us energized and active, but also providing essential nutrients that contribute to overall health, especially in maintaining leg strength, circulation, and muscle function. The benefits of eggs for seniors are deeper and more far-reaching than many people realize. The incredible benefits of eggs for seniors. One of the most remarkable aspects of eggs is that they are a complete source of protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids that the body cannot produce on its own. This is incredibly important for older adults, as the natural aging process often leads to a gradual decline in muscle mass and strength. This condition, known as sarcopenia, can make everyday activities such as walking, standing up, or carrying groceries more difficult. Fortunately, the protein in eggs helps combat this decline by supporting muscle growth and maintenance. By consuming eggs, older adults can maintain muscle mass and strength, which is vital for preserving mobility and independence. The muscles in the legs, in particular, bear the weight of the body and are fundamental for moving through life with ease and confidence. Stronger muscles translate into stronger legs, which in turn help prevent falls and injuries, promote mobility, and allow for a more active lifestyle. Beyond their protein content, eggs are also a fantastic source of vitamin D, which plays a pivotal role in the body's ability to absorb calcium, an essential mineral for the formation and upkeep of healthy bones. As we get older, our ability to produce vitamin D from sunlight decreases, and our diets may not always provide sufficient amounts of this nutrient. A deficiency in vitamin D can lead to weak, brittle bones, making seniors more susceptible to fractures, falls, and bone-related diseases like osteoporosis. Low levels of vitamin D impair calcium absorption, which can directly impact bone density. This is particularly concerning for older adults, as maintaining healthy bones is crucial for preventing fractures and supporting overall mobility. Fortunately, eggs are one of the best dietary sources of vitamin D, which helps keep bones strong and resilient. For seniors, consuming eggs regularly can significantly enhance bone health, especially in the legs, which bear much of the body's weight and are critical for walking and standing. In addition to their high protein and vitamin D content, eggs are also a rich source of choline, an essential nutrient that is often overlooked but is vital for both nerve and muscle function. Choline is required for the synthesis of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that helps with communication between the brain and the muscles. This communication is essential for motor control, coordination, and overall flexibility. As we age, the nervous system's ability to function optimally can diminish, leading to slower reflexes and less muscle coordination. Consuming eggs regularly helps ensure that the nervous system and muscles continue to work together efficiently, allowing for smooth and coordinated movements. This is especially important for preserving leg health and mobility as we age, ensuring that seniors can maintain their ability to move freely and with ease. Another key advantage of eggs is their bioavailability, the body's ability to absorb and utilize the nutrients within them. Eggs are highly digestible, which means that the proteins, vitamins, and minerals they contain are easily absorbed by the body and put to good use. This is particularly beneficial for seniors, who may have difficulty absorbing nutrients from certain foods due to changes in digestive efficiency as they age. The high bioavailability of eggs makes them an ideal food choice for older adults, as they offer a quick and effective way to boost nutrient intake and support overall health. Unlike some other protein sources, such as plant-based proteins, which may require more effort for the body to process and utilize, the nutrients in eggs are readily available for the body to absorb and use for muscle and bone maintenance. Eggs are also versatile and easy to incorporate into any diet, making them a practical addition to meals. Whether boiled, scrambled, poached, or incorporated into omelets with vegetables, eggs can be prepared in a variety of delicious ways to suit individual tastes. They are an ideal food for seniors, who may seek both ease and nutrition in their meals. How many eggs should seniors eat? While eggs are incredibly nutrient-dense, it is important to consume them in moderation, especially for those who are concerned about cholesterol intake. Nutrition experts typically recommend that older adults consume 1 to 2 eggs per day. This amount provides a sufficient dose of protein, vitamin D, and choline, while still being mindful of overall cholesterol levels. Eating eggs as part of a balanced, nutrient-rich diet will help seniors maintain healthy muscles, bones, and circulation, preventing deterioration and preserving strength and flexibility over time. To further enhance the benefits of eggs, seniors should consider pairing them with other nutrient-dense foods that are rich in calcium, fiber, and vitamins, such as leafy greens, dairy products, nuts, seeds, and fresh fruits. This combination helps ensure a well-rounded, wholesome diet that supports all aspects of health, especially bone and muscle function, and promotes longevity. Why eggs are essential for seniors. Eggs are far more than just a simple breakfast food. For older adults, they represent a powerful, nutrient-packed food that can significantly enhance overall health, particularly in areas like muscle maintenance, bone health, and circulation. Rich in high-quality protein, vitamin D, choline, and easily absorbed nutrients, eggs are an excellent addition to a senior's daily diet. Incorporating eggs into regular meals can help ensure strong muscles, healthy bones, and proper coordination, which all contribute to an active, independent lifestyle. As you age, making eggs a regular part of your diet is a simple yet highly effective way to support your overall health and vitality. If you are still watching this video and finding these lessons useful, please comment number 2 below to let me know that you are still watching this video with me. Thank you for your valuable time. 3. Salmon. Salmon is widely hailed as one of the ultimate superfoods, and it unquestionably lives up to that reputation with its impressive array of essential nutrients. This fatty fish isn't just delicious, it's a powerhouse packed with beneficial compounds that support overall health. Among the most noteworthy advantages of consuming salmon is its incredible ability to reduce inflammation and support joint health, primarily due to its rich content of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids and inflammation reduction. Omega-3 fatty acids are renowned for their potent anti-inflammatory properties, and research has demonstrated that they can reduce inflammation in the body by up to 40%. For individuals suffering from inflammatory conditions such as arthritis, this reduction in inflammation can be life-changing. The benefits include decreased joint pain, improved mobility, and a greater sense of comfort during movement. For those with arthritis or other inflammatory diseases, adding salmon to your diet can ease pain and provide much-needed relief, allowing you to move more freely and with less discomfort. Furthermore, the reduction of inflammation has a profound impact on overall flexibility, making everyday activities, such as walking, bending, or climbing stairs, much less taxing. For older adults, incorporating salmon regularly into their diet can significantly improve their quality of life by helping manage chronic pain and increasing flexibility, ensuring that they remain active and independent for longer. Salmon and muscle health. Beyond its anti-inflammatory benefits, salmon is also an exceptional source of high-quality protein, which is critical for muscle recovery and repair. As we age, our bodies naturally take longer to recover from physical exertion. Whether it's a light walk around the block or a more strenuous activity like hiking or dancing, muscle recovery becomes a bit slower with age. The protein found in salmon plays a vital role in accelerating muscle regeneration, which is essential for maintaining strength, particularly in the legs. Maintaining strong leg muscles is vital for balance, coordination, and overall mobility. Healthy muscles also help prevent falls and improve flexibility, making it easier to perform everyday tasks. By supporting muscle health, salmon ensures that you stay active, independent, and able to enjoy physical activities without experiencing excessive fatigue. Whether it's climbing a set of stairs or dancing with friends, salmon helps keep your muscles functioning optimally, allowing you to feel your best and perform daily activities with ease. Salmon, a rich source of vitamin D. Another remarkable benefit of salmon is that it is one of the richest natural sources of vitamin D, a nutrient that is indispensable for maintaining bone health and supporting muscle function. As we age, the density of our bones naturally decreases, which can lead to bone-related diseases such as osteoporosis. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in regulating calcium and phosphorus levels in the body, two minerals that are essential for bone strength and overall skeletal health. When you consume salmon, you're providing your body with a natural, bioavailable source of vitamin D, which is vital for maintaining bone density and preventing conditions like osteoporosis. Healthy bones are key to preventing fractures and maintaining mobility as we age. By including salmon in your diet, you're not only supporting your bones but also promoting muscle health, as vitamin D is involved in muscle function and strength. This helps ensure that you remain strong, mobile, and independent as you grow older. How much salmon should you eat? To fully experience the wide-ranging health benefits of salmon, experts recommend incorporating it into your diet 2 to 3 times a week. Regular consumption of this nutrient-dense fish can have a significant positive impact on your overall health, helping you maintain leg strength, flexibility, and mobility. If you're not particularly fond of fish, don't worry. There are plant-based alternatives that can provide omega-3 fatty acids, such as flax seeds, walnuts, and chia seeds. While these options are certainly beneficial, salmon remains the best choice because the omega-3 fatty acids in fish are in a form that is much easier for the body to absorb, providing you with the maximum benefit. Make salmon a regular part of your diet. Now that you understand just how powerful salmon can be in supporting your health and helping protect your legs, it's time to take action. There's no reason to wait. Make this nutritious food a regular part of your diet today and begin reaping the benefits of better joint health, muscle recovery, bone strength, and overall vitality. I hope you found today's video both informative and inspiring. Strengthening your legs and maintaining your mobility as you age is possible, and by adding these 3 superfoods, spinach, eggs, and salmon, into your daily routine, you're taking the first step toward ensuring a more active and independent lifestyle. It's all about making simple but impactful changes to your diet, and these foods are packed with the nutrients your body needs to stay strong and healthy. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What have you learned so far? Maybe you discovered how spinach helps protect your muscles and bones, or perhaps you're excited about the powerful benefits of eggs and salmon for maintaining your leg strength. Whatever it is, I encourage you to take action and start incorporating these foods into your meals. Drop a comment below and let me know one thing you've learned today that you will bring into practice in your life. It could be a new food you'll try or a change you'll make to your nutrition habits. Sharing your thoughts and experiences helps create a supportive community where we can all learn from each other. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please leave your comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on more valuable health tips and advice to help you live your best life. Thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. where we'll dive even deeper into how to keep your body strong and your spirit even stronger.